Hey folks, uh, Alfredo here with Anchor Holsters. Welcome to my humble little shop. This is my first video, so please bear with me. I'm not too big on tech and all of this video stuff, so I will try my best and hopefully they'll get better from here on out. Um, I have a request that I haven't had a certain color. The request is for Glock 43 XMOS in hot pink. And let me tell you, this color is really hot pink. The gentleman is out of Utah, Jacob. If you're watching, uh, he requested this color because his little 3-year-old daughter is his favorite color. And this is dedicated to Piper. And he dedicated this color to you because it's your favorite color. And I'm sure he loves you more than anything in this whole wide world. So let's get started with today's holster making for a Glock 43 inside the waistband, MOS, and I'll try to walk you through what I do and how I make my holsters. So, like I said, please bear with me. I might get a little lost, go back and forth, but I'll try my best. So, I already have my heat press heated up. I've already blocked my vacuum mold for the 43X. And I guess we'll cut the Kydex to the size that I need. Good to go. Sure. Yep. And we'll clean this, get the dust off of everything. Yep. Gloves out. Heat press is set at 360. I usually do it for about 120 seconds or so. Let's get our frame ready. Got about another 65 seconds to go. So I've been making holsters for a little while now, and kind of got started because I couldn't find a holster for a Ruger Security 9 that I purchased. It had a laser on it, a Viridian laser, I believe it is, and found the place, sent it out, but I wasn't satisfied with retention. Gun just dropped out, so I said, well, let me try to make it, and I made a holster for it, and it turned out pretty good. Uh, After a friend saw it, he wanted a holster, a couple of other friends, and that's how I basically got started. And I love what I'm doing. Doesn't make me rich or nothing, but it keeps me busy. I'm in retirement. I worked at a medical lab for over 35 years. I'm a Navy veteran and retirement, I don't like to be idle too much. So this keeps me busy and keeps my mind going. Okay. We got our kydex should be ready to go. Let me get the little foot pedal and keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully it goes goes well. Let's see here. Make sure we got enough kydex on all edges. And wow, love it. I love this vacuum. Definition on this is exceptional. Now I block it so you can have a foamy, or you can have mono blocks, or if he wants a DCC, or even an ulti, he can change it out, put whatever he wants on that. Okay, now let's cool off our kydex. There we go. So that came out pretty good. I do say so myself. Pretty good. I think I lost the nozzle to my. Alrighty. And this is a quarter. No, 732. Clean up these holes. A little clean. Sorry I don't talk much. But like I said, it's my first video, and hopefully the next one will come out better. Little music in the background. And again, it's taking me a little bit longer than normal because I'm nervous, trying to do a good job for the customer here, especially for his little girl Piper. I'm sure she's a very special little girl. I have a daughter of my own, so I know what a father feels towards a daughter. So it's a special bond. Oh, back it up a little bit.